Oh, this is crazy. Another day of this is really snowing. Wow. Just look at that snow coming down. Whoa. It's really snowing again. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. This is crazy snowing. This is a snow day. This is our days of our lives. Guys. Oh, Flores. It's Flores. Morning. Morning. So, it's snowing and it's raining. It is snowing and it is raining. Hi, welcome in, welcome in. Who is this? Who is this? Let me see. Who is this? It's snowing and it's raining. Guys, this is foreign. Jesus. This is foreign winter. Hi. Hi. Carrie. What's up? Share the live, Carrie. Share the live. It's snowing like crazy here. And it looked like it's raining with snow. So the snow is melting. Has it rained? Ooh. Yeah, get snow up. Mm. Yeah, get snow up. Unfortunately, kid is weekend. But look at this. Look at Winter Wonderland. Hmm. Winter Wonderland. Snowing. Guys, snowing, but people are going about their business still. It is cool. Look over there. Over there is amazing. It's like it's a winterland over there. The bike is covered. The bike is covered today. Oh, they were expecting it. It's coming down heavily. I'm doing good, Carrie. But look, it's coming down real heavy. Look, real heavy. Heavy snow coming down with the rain. Mm. Woo. It's coming in my eyes. Yes, guys. This is America. This is America. As you get it, so you see it, so you get it. Some places may be worse than this with the snow. Some places may be better than this with the snow. But in my neck of the wood, this is what is happening right now. Thanks, darling. Share the live for me, honey. Yeah, me need sun. Me need sun right now. Right now. It's like we need all the sun we can get right now. Please do. People going about their business too. But oh God, man. Oh God, man. Oh God. No, honey. I'm trying not to. As a matter of fact, let me put on my hoodie. Let me put on my hoodie. Put my hoodie there. Trying to stay safe. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Shoveler van. But I'm not gonna have much to shovel because it's raining. So the rain melt the snow. The rain is melting the snow as it goes. If the rain wasn't falling, it would have been so much on the ground. But yeah. Okay, great. Great. And they said we're going to have more snow Thursday, Friday, something like that. I hope it's the last of it. Great. Good. Good. I've gone live on YouTube for a couple of weeks, so I said, why not come and do this live? Save me a video for today. Yeah. Save me my video for today. So it's supposed to break. It's supposed to break and maybe go again. So if you notice, it's slowing down. I am in New York, not just for honeymoon. I got married here, Melvin. Thanks for asking. Thank you for joining. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Yeah, if you notice, it's calming down, so it's getting peaceful. Peaceful, peaceful. Not as ignorant as when I just came out. Thank you, Melvin. It's calming now. See? So because the rain, as I said before, the rain came down with the snow. There's not much on the ground, but snow is still there. Thank you, Carrie. The trees, them look so pretty with the snow on it. Them look like something in a book. Like you can put them on a postcard. Yeah, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Who said that we soon winter storm soon over? Man, it's still going. Winter storm is still going. It is cold. It is cold. Like I never can find my gloves, and my hands always freezing off. Yeah, just the video, just to bring you this scenery. See it? It's dying down now. Not much snow coming down now, so I came out the right time to catch that heavy downpour. Yeah, that was really a heavy downpour. It's like, ooh. So, what are you up to, Melvin? Hi, Conrad. Welcome in. Welcome in, Conrad. Where are you from? Where are you watching this video from? Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Yeah, leave me a comment, like my videos. Thank you. Getting ready for my daughter's birthday. Oh, happy birthday, daughter. Oh, Conrad, you're in Jamaica. Wow, welcome. Welcome, welcome, Jamaica people with all the sunshine, my beautiful island of Jamaica. Whew, I miss it so much. I miss Jamaica so much. It's too flipping cold here. Yeah, I hope you have a great day with your daughter today. Hope you're not in New York where it's snowing. I hope you're in better weather. so that you can have a great birthday for her. Yeah. Oh, really? Where are you? You're in the States? Tell me not the cold part of the States. The same thing with me. Wishing the same thing. Yeah. Yep. Thomas. Thomas. Thomas struck. Thomas struck. Jeez. Yeah, music. Hurry up and change life. Ooh, gone. California. How is it there? I don't think it's that cold in Cali. I don't think so. But it should be a better weather. And I know California might be 3, 4 hours behind us. Maybe it's about 10 o'clock. No, 9 o'clock in Cali right now. Yeah, they're behind us in time. So guess what? The snow has subsided. Yes, it has subsided. I guess for now, the snow has subsided. Ay, 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 ay. Today we have a mild winter day, just overcast with some clouds. Okay, awesome. So she will have a good day then. She will have a good day. Good driving day, good walking day. In a sense, better than here, much better. Look, guys, look at the sun coming out now. Look at the sun. Can you see the sun? Are you seeing that sun? You seeing it? If you can see the sun, a peep out. But anyways, yes, the sun is trying to come out now. But you know, even though the sun is out, it's still cold. Yeah, even though. Yeah. So guys, remember everybody on this live to go subscribe, click that notification bell, subscribe to my channel so that when I go live or when I upload a video, you're the first to see it and watch it and comment. Okay? Yeah. I just love the look at it. I just love the look of the trees when the snow is on it. My son is very cool. Yeah, he's trying to peep out there, but it's cold. Whether or not it comes out, it's still cold. It's not really sun to make you hot. It's just still cold. And see Amazon up there, so. Yeah. I'm gonna be going on the road. I'm wondering if I'm to walk or I'm to, because the place looks really wet and cold. Ooh. Look, really wet. Really, really, really wet. So sometimes when you're going out, you might think the sun is out and it's cool. Yes, it's okay to go without a scarf or a hat or a hoodie or something. But by the time you reach a place, the weather just changed. So it's better to be overclothed than underclothed in this country, even in the summer. Sometimes you look outside and the sun's so hot. And when we go out there, it's cold. So you have to just know, so you walk with your gears when you're going anywhere. Mhm. So guys, I'm gonna go leave you guys. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Shana do wish for you today a peaceful and blessed Saturday and Sunday. Okay? And as I said before, remember to like my video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Okay? So Melvin Rudy Conrad, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you guys. Thank you. Right. Thanks guys. Bye. Peace out. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care. Take care everybody. Yes, later. Carrie. Later.